everybody, welcome. Today we're gonna make a project. We're gonna make a rainbow shape, a rainbow hexagon, a rainbow triangle using, we're gonna use Python. Okay, so let's start opening our Visual Studio Code, and I will, in the description below, I will give you a sample, okay, that we're gonna work on it better than we lose our time. Okay, so here it is, rainbow. Let's name a rainbow like this. Okay, so now the sample code I will just give it to you in the description. Okay, and you just paste it in the new program. Okay, so now let's start and paste my code. Okay, so here is the sample code. Firstly, we imported the turtle, and then we made the list of colors because we wanted a rainbow. So we made a variable for the list of the colors. First one is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Okay, so now let's start. So here we will gonna create our turtle. Example, let's name it Mia equals to turtle dot turtle, empty parenthesis. Here now we will make a loop, better than writing the same code more than one time. So we're gonna start with the hexagon. So here we will make 4 side in. Okay, so we need a hexagon that has 6 sides, so we will make 6 items. Okay, so here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Don't forget to put the symbol here and click enter. So here we will give the turtle Mia our commands. So here, for example, let's say Mia, tell Mia to do a hexagon, so we want her to go forward, let's say 100 pixel now, and Mia, we want her to go right okay, just a minute. Here right, I want her to go 60 angle, 60 degree, and now let's check what will happen. Okay, it draws a very thin, draws a very thin shape, a very thin plaque, so we need to make it a little bit thick. So we go here, after we created the variable of Mia, the turtle. Here we will set write Mia dot width. Okay, and now here we will write, for example, 5. Let's run the code again and check. Okay, now it's better. Now you will think about the changing of colors. Okay, so let's set, for example, the first color for Mia dot color. Okay, so here red, we set the first color. Okay, it's not working. As we know, it will just draw a red plane hexagon. Okay, so here, if you know that we use the loop trick, yeah, and here 4 side means the side, each time the loop runs, it takes one variable, okay, from this list. Okay, means the first loop will take 1, the second loop will take 2, third loop will take 3. Okay, and here we have 6 items. Here also in the rainbow list we have 6 items. Okay, so why we don't replace it with this list? Let's try. So here let's say rainbow. Okay, it still draws red, and because we didn't set, okay, so here each time it takes 1. For example, the first loop it will take red. So what we need to do, here, for example, let's change the side to be, for example, pretty underscore color. Okay, so here, because each time it will take one color, means the first time will take red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then purple. Okay, and each loop, in each loop, it's what creates one side. So here we need each side to be different color, means okay, so this variable will take each time one what value. For example, the first time it will be red, then the second time will be orange, then yellow, and moreover. So here we write Mayah.color and we set it on the pretty color like this, and run the code, and we got it. Okay, let's say that let's delete this because there is no anything helpful because we have the list. Okay, so let's say I want her to go back. Okay, but I don't want her to draw. So how are we gonna do? So Mayah and pen up. We use pen up. Means the pen will go up, so it will not draw, and put empty parentheses. Okay, now we'll tell her to move back, but the pen is not on the whiteboard, so it will not draw. So here Mayah dot back, let's say 50. Okay, so now after 50 back, we'll return the pen again. So Mayah dot pen down. The pen will return to draw and empty parentheses. But this will not return again because it's not inside the loop, it's outside the loop. Okay, after we are done, what we can do, we'll go outside of the loop and say to Mayah that what to be hidden. Hide turtle. Okay, so here I'll just explain the code again. So here we imported the turtle. Okay, and we made the list of colors in the name variable of rainbow. Okay, and here we created the turtle, so name it Mayah. And here we set the Mayah before the loop to be the width 5. And here we remove the pen, make it up, because we want her to move 50 back, but without drawing. Then after it moved back 50, it will return the pen down, so it can draw. So it will go to the loop and go Mayah color. It will set each time. For example, the first time will be red, then orange, because each loop it will take one item. Then the second, then the third, then the fourth, then the fifth, then the sixth. Okay, and now it will move forward 100 and then go 90 degree or 90 angle 60. And then after we are done from the loop, it will just keep returning till it's done, and go to the next line and check, and Mayah hide turtle. So let's try running the code. Just a minute, I will check the problem. Okay, so now I fixed the problem. There was nothing. Okay, so here, when we are done from the loop, it will just hide the turtle. Or let's try doing hide turtle. So it will be hidden, because if we didn't do this, the turtle, I'll take a screenshot and show it in front of you. I took it. So here, where is paint? Okay, so here, if you check here, we have the turtle is still there. Okay, so let's try just hiding the turtle after we are done from the loop. So the hexagon will be in its own. So here we write Mayah dot hide turtle with empty parentheses. So we call this function. We run the code. I'll take a screenshot. Okay, so here I didn't just try to get it immediately, just a minute. We'll try again. Oops. Okay, it doesn't matter, but because if it becomes the hexagon on its own, so it will be more better. Okay, also I can just run it with the idle. Okay, so here I will just open the file. So we're going to desktop, rainbow shapes. Okay, so here I can run so you can see. So here it will not close. Yeah, here the turtle is hidden. Okay, if we just delete this command and saved it, we run it, the turtle, the arrow will be still there. Okay, so hide the turtle will be better than we keep it there. So here we will return the hide function, hide turtle. Okay, so we're gonna save and return to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now let's say that we want to draw let's say we want to draw an triangle. Okay, so just we need 4 colors, so let's delete the blue and the purple. Okay, let's make it like this. Now here the same thing, but just we'll edit the how many. Okay, so here we'll edit these two. Okay, so we want to create a triangle, so let's try. No, I mean 4 times, three, sorry, we want it 3 times for a triangle, or we want to do like this. Okay, so no need for this. Maybe we will just try editing till we get it. Okay, let's try doing a square better. So here we can add, for example, also pink. Okay, so here pretty color, so here we make 90 degree, so this will be a square. So let's try running the code. Yeah, and we got it. Okay, let's change, for example, this to be red again. Let's check. Also it will be red. Okay, so that was the lesson for today, and see you in the next video. This was a project using Python Turtle, and the next project will be animal trading card using HTML and CSS.